So what do people do here when during salty water? What do people do? Main business here in Kampot?
For the water,
Yeah, when not doing farming, what are they doing?
from the texture,
Sorry?
the, like a farm.
Yeah, when they're not farming, because water is bad now, right?
Oh,
Now water is not good.
yeah. For
So
the farm.
so what do people do? Do they don't do no farming now?
A farm, but like a farm, mango farm. It's okay for the mango farm with the water a little bit, not a lot.
Okay.
You can wait for the rain sometime and to have like the I don't know English. Sorry.
Wait for rain. Then until then they do anything else. They drive tuk-tuk, or they have some other tourist business, tourism business, or any other business.
Oh, had the business.
Yeah, during dry season, any
No,
other.
no, not here.
Okay.
He drive from the mountain
Okay.
and the water on the mountain. He take the come down for the people and for the farm. Where are you stay?
Kampot River bungalow.